ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोस के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।
From those we pledged ourselves to 12 long months ago, to unite and lead, to improve our education system, to keep our streets safe, to keep our health services strong, to support the most vulnerable, to reform and improve public services, to spread prosperity through development, and yes, to be honest and fair in all that we do. An important moment is upon us, a moment of challenge and of change, of difficulties, yes, but of possibilities too. This is a budget that needs that moment. It takes into account our strengths and challenges. It doesn't attempt to whitewash our inadequacy. It sets out on the path to a future where opportunities are maximized through an examination of risks involved. Sir, before I end, I would once again like to thank the honorable members of the House. Sir, I would like to thank you for allowing me to present this budget. I thank the staff of the Assembly who have cooperated and who have worked hard to make this day possible. The Finance Department who worked day and night during this pandemic and been able to come up with this budget document and the necessary papers. The Planning and Development Department who again during difficult times, during the pandemic, worked full time to make the annual development plan. We are grateful to our revenue authority, the Excise and Taxation Department, the Central Revenue Board, the Board of Revenue, who have worked hard during the last few months to come out with this budget. And inshallah ta'ala, we will come up to the aspirations of the people of this province. Sir, I pray that Almighty Allah guides us and gives us the strength to achieve our targets for the prosperity of Sindh and the prosperity of Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad.